How to update Amazon Fire Tablet. First of all, when you're on the Amazon Fire Tablet homepage, you'll want to click on the settings button. So go ahead and click on the settings icon there on the Amazon Fire Tablet homepage. Once you're on the settings menu, go ahead and scroll down until you see a section where it says device options. Go ahead and click on device options. Then in the device options menu, go ahead and click on system updates. In the system updates menu, you'll see something that looks a bit like this. There'll be a button where it says updates. It'll either say check now or update. So wherever that button says there, go ahead and click on that button. For me, it says check now. For you, it might be update. Click on that. And then if you hold from the top of your Amazon Fire Tablet and scroll down, if it is downloading the latest update, you'll see it there, how long it's going to take, etc. And then you'll see when it's done. If it just says there's no updates found, that means that tablet is up to date. So leave a like on the video if that helped and subscribe for more helpful videos.